Ito kasi yung report ng Commission on Audit. So sinasabi na ito nga si VP Sara o yung kanyang OVP o yung Office of the Vice President walang ginawang masasabi natin na anomalya. Tapos dito sa ito na yung report na yan. And we please to transmit the annual audit report of the Office of the Vice President for calendar year 2024 in compliance with Section 43 of the Government's Accounting Code of the Philippines. So, yan yun. Ito na yung opinion, okay? In our opinion, the accompanying financial statement present fairly in all material respect. I-summarize na lang natin wala daw anomalyang ginawa yung Office of the Vice President. Tapos, ang sinasabi pa nga, ang OVP o Office of the Vice President ang may pinakamataas na rating pagdating sa financial. So, walang anomalyang ginawa ang Office of the Vice President.